Elsewhere, a weaker yen is hitting demand for brand new iPhones in Japan, which is a major market for Apple. Now, the country's Apple fans have found a way to get their hands on their mobile phones without breaking the bank.
For years, Japanese shoppers eagerly shelled out for the latest gadgets. But now, a tumbling yen has put new iPhones out of reach for some. It is sparking a growing second-hand trade in a major market for Apple. In July, Apple hiked the price of the entry-level iPhone 13 by nearly a fifth. The strengthening dollar against global currencies, particularly the yen, further adds to the spiraling costs. The hefty price tag has kept many Japanese shoppers away from brand new iPhones. Instead, they opt for reasonably priced old models in second-hand shops.
ちょっと高すぎるなと思いますね。なんか最新のだともう本当に14万円とかなんか、20万円近いのもあると思うんですけど、そこまでなんだろう、すぐ2、3年使ってまた買えちゃうようなものに高いなっていうふうには思いますね。
そこまでなんかハイスペックなものは求めてなくて、8だったら買ったのが1万円ちょっとくらいだったんで、そんなに大きく負担もないのかなみたいな。
Japanese company Belong, which sells used phones and tablets online, has seen average sales surge on its e-commerce site since Apple raised prices in July. At its buzzing operations center outside of Tokyo, rows of workers at long tables are busy unboxing shipments of used phones, cleaning and running function tests on them. The phones are then photographed from multiple angles for sale online before being packaged and sent off to customers.
直近円安の影響も一部受けて最低価格が10万円という大きな心理的な壁を越えてきたところもあって、お客様からするとスマートフォンに10万円を超えるような価格を簡単に支出しづらいというところは要素としてあるのかなというふうに考えています。
Inoue believes the market size in Japan still has large room for growth, and he hopes to promote used iPhones among more women and elderly customers rather than just in a niche group of tech-savvy shoppers who need a second iPhone.